Welcome back. Now let's take a closer look at the different question types that you have access to if you are using a Kahoot Premium account. So again, here in the editor, to add a new question, I simply come to the far left panel and click the Add Question button. Here you can see that there are a wide variety of question types that we can add to this quiz. In addition to the more standard quiz question or true and false question, we also have the type answer question. This allows our players to answer a question with a single word or a short phrase. We also have a slider question that lets players guess the number on a slider bar. A puzzle type question that asks players to arrange the answer choices in a correct order, as well as the quiz plus audio. This question type allows you to type a question that can be read out loud to the students. Now, in addition to these question types that test students' knowledge, we also have access to question types that allow us to poll or gather ideas, brainstorming, as well as longer answers from our students under Collect Opinions. Here we can see a poll type question, a drop pin type question, which asks players to drop a pin on an image, a word cloud question, which allows students to answer in a short phrase, which is then arranged in a word cloud. We also have open-ended type questions, which allow for longer responses, and brainstorm type question, where you can collect ideas and information from the students, discuss as a class, and then vote on these ideas. Let's go ahead and add a couple of these different question types to our quiz to see what they look like. Let's go ahead and add in the type answer to start. Notice that I can start typing my question up top, and below I would insert my correct answer. Notice that if there was more than one correct answer to this question, I could always click Add Other Accepted Answers to add another answer box. Notice that I can also find and insert media. For this question, I'm not going to add an image or video. Let's preview this question. To preview your question, simply come up to the far right corner and click Preview. This is what your students will see when you display on the screen. They will be able to read the question and they will be able to type in their answer. Their answer will then appear in the space provided. Let's go back to our quiz. Let's check out another question type. So I'm going to come to the far left panel and click Add Question to add another question, and this time we're going to select Puzzle. Now for this particular question, I want to add a YouTube video. So I'm going to click the plus, find and insert media. Now I can go ahead and search YouTube, or if I have an actual YouTube link, I could paste it in the search bar. Let's go ahead and search for a particular video about rocks and minerals. Once the video choices load, I can go ahead and select the video that I wish to add. But it's important to keep in mind the video is going to be cropped so that it's only the length of the time limit for the question. You can adjust this by simply coming to where it says End Video At, and let's say that I want 2 minutes of this played. I can type in 2 minutes and click Done. Not only will this adjust the length or the amount of the video that is shown, the question timer will also increase to fit the video. Once you're ready, simply click Add to add your media to your question. And then I can go ahead and start typing my question and adding the answer choices. When entering your answer choices, you must add at least 3 of the answers in the correct order. Keep in mind that the answers will be shuffled when you play the game with your class. Finally, let's add one more question type to this quiz. So again, we click Add Question, and this time let's add an open-ended question from the Collect Opinions category. Notice that here I can start typing my question and I can insert media. Let's click the plus to insert media, and this time I will search for an image of erosion and add that image to our question. Now, notice that for this question type, our students will have up to 250 characters when typing their answers, and their answers will appear on the screen as text cards. So as you can see, there are a wide variety of question types if you are using the premium account for Kahoot. In our next video, we're going to take a look at how we can supercharge this quiz by adding in review content for our students with slides.